of my life's puzzle in spirituality. So that is what keeps me moving ahead.
So, what is this spiritual journey of yours? Because it sounds kind of something which has, kept you this bright and happy every time. So, what has this spiritual journey been?
My family, my parents had spiritual background. I mean, since my childhood I saw them going to centers, meditation centers, and doing meditation and attending classes and all. So that influenced me a lot. And I think since the beginning of my life, when I was growing up, I had the taste of spirituality, something that was given from my parents, and that taste. And I still remember, spirituality is something like once you taste that, your journey, inner journey, or something, taste it, you'll feel like this is what gives you is the biggest emotional support for me. So I think that is something I would suggest. I would not suggest, but I would request everybody to experience that journey inwards, because for me that was, I found the missing puzzle piece of my life's puzzle in spirituality. So that is what keeps me moving ahead.
So, how do you think meditation actually helps someone? How do you think meditation actually, helps you go by your day more smoothly?
Meditation is something. Now I want to clarify one thing, is that there are a lot of stereotypes attached to spirituality and meditation. First, spirituality is not something that you leave everything and uh, go to the jungle and do meditation or something like that. It's not like that. You do everything what you are supposed to do. You take up your responsibilities, you work on your accountabilities, and you work on your stuff. But the definition of spirituality is your personality is driven by your spirit. Spirit is something that we always look forward to, right? What I feel and what I like and what I feel is right for me. So holding that is personality, personality of your spirit. That spirituality is uh, what actually and in actually is called the spirituality. So meditation is just, you take 5 or 10 minutes of your busy schedule every day, and you sit with yourself and you talk to yourself. You realize that what you are supposed to do in your life, what is your purpose of life. And it is like you are rushing all the time. Just stop, take a breath, long deep breath, and just think, just sit with yourself for 5 minutes a day. That is meditation.
I think that was, very necessary for not everyone, but a lot of people to understand what exactly meditation is and what exactly it does to you.